In this module, we are going to talk about cultural imperialism. Cultural imperialism is also known as cultural colonialism, and it is characterized by cultural features of imperialism. This refers to the creation and preservation of unequal relationships between civilizations, which are supporting to a more dominant civilization. In this slide, there are different brands: Nike, MTV, McDonald, Disney, Statue of Liberty. So, how they are spreading this cultural imperialism through these brands? Domination of one culture over another. Cultural imperialism can also exist in the form of a deliberate formal policy. Economic and technological sophistications play a key role in cultural imperialism. The cultural products of the first world are exported to the third world, which erodes the local culture. It is very unfair to say this, that such things erode the culture of the developing world. We may say that this is how exchange of culture can contribute in the convergence of values of the developing as well as the developed world. But it depends that which culture is going to send more products to another culture. So it means it depends more on the economic value of any civilization. Role of Western media and film industry, and how the emergence of multinational corporations are making an impact. Cultural convergence, mixing of local and international culture is happening. For centuries, countries imposed their culture on their nations. The word imposed is, I would say, more strict and hard for saying that. I would say that for centuries, countries are trying to introduce their culture on other nations vehemently. The culture of the United States is dominant in the contemporary globalized world because, owing to its economic value, it is everywhere. But in the contemporary world, if you could observe that Chinese culture and Chinese language and Chinese civilization is getting more value in the global society today than ever before. For example, from America, McDonald's and Starbucks can be easily found in the big cities of the world. English is a dominant language for internet communication, and then Western film industry. This is how cultural imperialism is going on through food chains, language, and some other values that are coming through film industry. But we know that most of the Hollywood movies are spreading, are showing violence in their movies, but blamed for the developing world that they are indulged in the violent values. What are the impacts of cultural imperialism? Spread of Western agendas, increased dependency on the West, loss of indigenous or local culture, creation of homogeneous culture, dominance of Western media, losing local identities, loss of cultural autonomy, diminishing national sovereignty. These are the impacts which cultural imperialism is making upon the countries which are unable to get out themselves from that slave mindset that was left by the imperial powers before the Second World War.